telling you.
I love you.
Love you too.
Hindi na ako mag-vlog. Yun.
Good morning, Philippines!
That's not your toy, Rox. There is a mouse over there. A mice. Hala ka. Oy, maunay akong giingon. You're not gonna play with this. Hey, listen to mama. This is not your toy. This is the boy's toy. The bag and the dimple lurch. Okay? Hi, Dimp. Hello, Dimple Lord. That's not your toy, baby. Look at that guy. Guys, may catnip kasi. Huy. Tignan mo. Buslutin mo ito. Buslutin. No. This is the bag. Bag, oh, your toy bag. Look, tignan. This is not your toy. Hey. This is not yours. Listen to mama. Tignan nyo naman. Listen to mama, adik. May catnip kasi dito, guys, sa loob ng mga toys ng cat. Kaya si Roxy interesado din. Hoy, you are not a cat. This is for the bag. Roxy, listen. Listen to mama. Bag. This is for you, bag. Go get it, bag. Play with it. Bag, play with this bag. Play with this bag. Bag, come here, bag. Dapat andun itong mga laruan ninyo sa loob, okay? Inside. This one, guys. Look. Yan, dyan. Okay? Nagpakainin ko sila, guys. Yan. Alam nyo ba yung binigay ko? Pagkain ni Tami. Ano lang ito pang extra sa pagkain nila. Kaya yun. Pasensya na guys sa itong mukha ko, guys. At pasensya no lang yan palagi yung mukha ko. Anyway, so katapos ko lang naligo. Ngayon, alis ako dito. Mga 7:35 na ngayon. Alis ako dito mga 9:30. 9:35, ganun. And before ako alis, mag-mix ako ng pancake. Pancake. Ay, no, bumili kami ng scooper ba? Saan nilagay yun itami mo? Yan dito sa Okay. Yun, I think okay na yun. Para sa breakfast ni Bianan. Dalhin ko siya sa kabilang bahay. Sa bahay ni sister-in-law. Para magluto tayo doon ng pancake. Pero i-mix ko siya dito. Dito ko na siya i-mix. Kasi hindi ko alam kung may mixer ba siya. So, anong klaseng lock ito? Kanong lock ito? Ang aga ko, nakaligo pa ako sayo. Hindi ako naliligo ng sobrang aga, guys. Sometimes yung mga the middle of the day or late, ganun. Pero sobrang aga, like 6 something ako naliligo. Never happened. Mangyayari lang yan kapag may mga lakad, importante. At saka ayaw ko na mabaho ng pipoy tatin, pipoy. Nagpagka-chiyo-chiyo lang akiyo mo. Ito, guys. So, igalay natin to, igalay. At saka, asan yung isa? Ito na. Yun. Lagyan natin ng tubig bago natin ukay-ukayin. Saka, tansya-tansya na lang tayo dito. Lala. Kailangan pa ng maraming tubig. Ikaw, dahil. Kasi look at mo, day. Look at your sarili, day. Uy, naku, Lord. Nagkaputi-puti na ako. Ginawa ko dito kasi hindi ko alam kung anong meron doon. Meron silang egg, meron silang ano. Pero hindi ko alam kung meron silang pancake. So, pancake it is. You don't call me last night, big boy. What? The telephone? Cell phone? What happened?
you couldn't even keep your eyes on the line off, so you went to move. And then it was a major accident, and I went out and you know, because
Really? It's really foggy this morning, and in Rochelle also, it says in the news that it's really crazy foggy. Oops. Hi guys, ano guys, tinawagan ko si Tami, tumawag si Tami, pangalawang apat beses, and yun, nandun na yung biyanan ko guys, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina, andun na siya sa dialysis, sa loob na siya, nandito ako sa parking lot, and 2:28 na ng and I think it's going to rain. It's really sad because I want to cut my grass pero hindi ko siya makat kasi uulan later, so hindi, pabayaan ko na lang. Hindi ko alam kung kailan, Friday daw. Anyway guys, so yun guys, yung mga candy ko na chocolate dito nagme-melt. Kaloka talaga kasi mainit na kasi. Anyway yun, mag-sunglasses tayo kasi ganun nakamata ko palagi nag-wrinkle dito. Anyway, so yun, kaninang umaga guys, hindi ako nakapag-vlog doon sa bahay ng kapatid ni Tami kasi daming nakaganapan kanina. Pagdating ko doon, wala na kasi yung kapatid ni Tami doon. So, pagdating ko doon, nasa kama pa siya. Sabi ko, bangon. Kasi yung nurse parating. Akala ko yung nurse hindi darating. So, yung nurse parating doon. So, oh my God. Hindi ko nasabihin sa inyo. Pero yeah, maraming mga kaganapan. Yung mga marami akong mga nililinis sa kanya.
I don't know, the GPS knows. Yeah. Wherever it tells me to go, that's where I'm going. All I know is I just passed exit 8, so exit 9 is the next one, 9 is...
Okay, and I'll talk to you later. I'm leaving here. I don't want to just...
Alright. Like I said, I got chicken thighs. You'll have to wait till I get there.
Okay then. Okay, bye-bye.
Got it? Grilling all night.
No, you're
We got lemon juice in the house, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I will probably stop here. I will probably stop to Price Chopper to do grocery here. Get some creamer and
Eggs.
milk, whatever. I don't know. Why you want egg?
Because that's what you wanted to get the other day, creamer and eggs. And we didn't talk it. Now I'm going to get it tomorrow.
Okay.
That's what you said on Tuesday.
Okay.
See? I remember things. Because I'm not old like you who can't remember
Whatever,
nothing.
you're old.
Like you who can't remember nothing, so old.
So guys, I end up waiting for Tommy. I just went to the grocery to get some creamer, egg, mushrooms, and ham turkey for the dog and cat. $5, but if you get the turkey that you usually get, it's 11 bucks.
Oh, no, you get the little one. Is that the turkey ham?
Yeah.
No, they won't like that. The cats won't eat that. I tried that one time. They won't.
Because that's the only affordable one they have.
That's the one they don't like. What's the point? Like, so it costs less, but you don't have. So how's that good?
Well, you know what? Roxy and Misty will eat it. I'm here. I'm waiting for you.
I know, but I gotta stop and try this. So I thought I'd just go to the store over there.
So that means we're gonna be home and go to sleep, cook and go to sleep and.
It's 5 extra minutes. Big deal. I gotta stop in that.
Knowing you, Don't me. Are you having sex with somebody? What? You did?
What?
I asked you having sex with somebody. You said Han, you just said So you did?
I'm just mimicking you. This
Han?
Let me make fun of what?
When? You know when?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, how many minutes you're from here?
I'm not in front. I'm, where am I? I'll tell you where I am.
Oh, hi, buhay. Okay, guys. I will see you home, guys. Or later with Tommy here. Nagbasa ako ng comments while waiting for Tommy. And, kanina, mayroong nagsabi na ano daw, ang bastos ko daw sumagot ng mga subscribers ko. Hindi ko naalala kung nasagot ko man kayo na bastos. Iwan ko, wala ako. Yung sumasagot ako sa mga vlog, sa mga comments na parang below the belt or something na ano, kung meron man akong na-replyan na bastos, kasi naging bastos din. Alam nyo, hindi daw ako marunong magpasalamat sa inyo na yung mga concern sa akin kung ano man yung nararamdaman ko sa katawan ko. Well, alam nyo guys, lately, ngayon, busy ako talaga. Andun ako kay Biyanan, sobrang busy. As in, yeah, nanonood kami ng TV, pero today talaga, yung nabasa ko na comment kasi is, yung sa vlog na ngayon, today's vlog, bastos daw ako, hindi daw ako marunong magpasalamat. Ngayon, alam nyo ba, kaninang umaga, nagmamadali ako, sobrang nagmamadali talaga ako. Hindi ko na dapat i-explain ba, pero yung iba ba, mag-unsubscribe daw siya, kasi, go ahead, you know what, go ahead. Okay naman tong life ko kung mag-unsubscribe ka, hindi man ako mawawala ng you know, to be honest with you guys, yung ako, nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa inyo, kasi, nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa inyo guys, kasi, yung mga concern ba, marami akong natutunan sa inyo. Nagbasa man ako, kung hindi ko man kayo na-replyan, pero meron akong, nababasa ko yung mga comment ninyo, yung mga advices ninyo, so nababasa ko siya. So yun, andito na si Tami, so, andito na. Okay guys, punta lang ako doon. What? I stay here, you go visit here.
You still here?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
And get a little sun on your face there.
Huh?
Get a little sun on your face.
What do you mean?
Your nose gets a little red.
I know. It's hot. Give me a kiss.
I'm telling you.
I love you.
Love you too.
Ay, doon pala siya nag-park sa harapan. But anyway, so yun siya guys, and hindi ako nagpa-check up kasi naging okay naman siya for few days. So, you know, hindi naman lahat ng mga nararamdaman ko ipa-check up ko. Pero guys, thankful ako sa mga advices ninyo, sa mga info kung anong dapat gawin. Yun talaga, kung anong dapat gawin, yung mga information, kung anong mga dapat gawin, yun. Pero hindi ako madali-daling magpa-hospital guys. First, takot ako sa hospital, ayaw ko magpa-doktor. Kung kaya ko naman obserbahan at saka may remedy kung ano man yung magagawa ko, kung ano man yung alam ko, gagawin ko. Pero yeah, so meron akong mga ginagawa. May mga appointment si Biyanan, may appointment si Biyanan, so takbo ako doon. May nurse na naman papunta doon sa sa bahay ng Biyanan ko. And meron pa, mag-exercise, meron pa akong dapat gampanan. Exercise ko yun si Biyanan ko, okay? Mag-exercise kami kasi dapat yung movement ng paa niya. And yun, maraming mga nangyayari sa kwarto ng Biyanan ko. Nilinis ko yung kwarto ng Biyanan ko kasi may mga alam nyo na, hindi ko na dapat explain, may mga sa floor, sa carpet. So, lilinis ko yun. So, parang busy ako kanina. And ngayon, nagbasa ako ng mga comment, nag-likes, nag-heart, ng mga ganon. And yun, sometimes talaga makapag-isip ka talagang ayaw ko nang mag-vlog, na mapag-isipan ko na hindi na ako mag-vlog. Yun, it means a lot to me guys na mayroong mga concern, kasi yung kayo yung ando may mga advices, except sa mga galit sa akin. Hindi wag na kayo guys, wag na lang. Sa bahay namin, dapat maglinis ako, mag-cut ng grass, dapat talaga, maraming dapat. And bisita lang si Tami sa Biyanan, sa ina niya, and then we have to go head home. I have to clean the grill. Marami akong dapat gawin. Andun pa si Tami sa dialysis, kinausap niya yung dietarian, yung diet ng ina niya. Kahoy dito sa harapan ng sasakyan, yun. Saka i-open the window din guys, kasi parang para makalanghap ako ng hangin, kasi pinatay ko yung sasakyan, kalas ng gasolina. So yun, ito yun siya guys. This guy is creeping me. He's watching, he's trying to kill me. Andun pala siya. Ha? Oh, that thanks you for reminding me. We were gonna do it later. Baby face.
I'm not.
Yes, we're going to. Hey, hey, I'm gonna put GPS. Hold on.
What?
I won't follow you. I will follow you. Pagas kami ni Tommy dalawa, guys. Andun siya naglagay ng gas. Ako din lagay ng gas. Ay, naka, buhay, buhay. Aray, you know. Aray. You go, Dada. You look good, Dada. Go to Dada. I'm going to marinate. Can I marinate a few for a soy marination?
Yeah, there's a whole other.
Kasi iba kasi yung marinate ni Tommy. What did you put your marinate? La, Misty, you don't eat your dinner. What the heck is that?
Roxy's not sure either.
No, she's eating now. No, you have to bring all of it
Hun,
back.
there's a whole nother pack.
Because we cannot do it.
Hun?
No, you have
Whole
to.
nother pack.
You're not leaving me chicken because I'm not gonna keep eating chicken.
Why? You like chicken?
No, I'm not. I'm planning to
You
get
need
some
the
more
protein
vegetables.
anyway.
Vegetables.
Vegetable, not protein. Unless it's
Well, you know
beans.
what, hon? I want vegetables. I need to get more
You don't
vegetables.
have protein, you're gonna wonder why you like.
So, and I bring mom two for lunch over there tomorrow. Iba-iba itong ano namin marination, guys. Iba sa kanya, iba sa akin. Who's trying to throw up over there? Right. Yung sa akin is soy, konting oil, lemon, and yung buo na lime. So, ala, mali pa yung pagkakat ko de buanga eh.
Why are 2 forks in here?
Because I use one.
Oh, you didn't like roll my fork, is that what you say?
No, it's the person that holding it. There's something wrong. There's something wrong with you. Paiba-iba. Ganito kami, guys. Kasi iba yung feel ko eh. Gusto ko yung very Filipino na marination. Tommy have his own version. It's like his own mind version. It's not even American version. His own version. Okay, that's it. Because I have to put this. You gonna bring this all to New Rochelle? Because I don't want that. Can I put this to the freezer? That's enough.
What do you mean?
This thing.
You want to use the door?
No. Put that in the freezer that we have some chicken items.
That's why you like when I barbecue.
What happened? She likes it?
They like when I barbecue because they get pieces. Look at that tongue going, tongue.
She likes it so much? Misty ate it too?
Yep. Look, Robbie is look at the wood. The flavor left in the wood.
Yeah, nag-barbecue si Tommy, guys. Nag-barbecue me. Ito yung marinated
Because
ko
I
na.
share everything.
You're right.
What? You're right.
You're right. You didn't. You just do it. Yeah, Tommy always gives something. Always. Palaging
I
meron.
share with them.
Ha?
I share with them. That's a good piece from right here.
Which one?
Cool down a little. Since I don't like lemon, who used to love my cooking, now all of a sudden you insulted it.
Are you insulted what I did? I don't even...
You said I don't like lemon. You said I like lime, but I don't like lemon. They're almost the same.
Nah, that lemon. For some reason, that lemon that you buy, you can buy different lemon, but that one, I'm not a big fan of that lemon.
See, it's called real lemon. It's made from real lemon.
No, I
That's
don't believe it.
There's no artificial juice in that.
I think it's something in it too.
Well, you gotta look at it going after.
And then...
Maybe the rice is waiting for another piece. Okay. What's this? Okay.
Lazy dog. Eat it, mate.
Now you're looking wood.
This dog is spoiled, huh?
Yeah.
Spoiled.
This is why we like when Daddy cooks, when Mama cooks, we get nothing.
Seriously, Han? Is that what you're gonna say to your kids in front of them? You shouldn't be telling your kids in front of them like
I'm
that.
just telling you what they're saying.
You're right. Because you are something.
I'm reading Roxy's mind.
They always read their mind.
I'll tell you a short story. Give me food, I took food, I want food, give me food.
Thank you, Han.
Yep.
Ay, ay, ay. Kain lang kami, guys.
There you go.
Kain tayo. Guys, good evening. Matulog na kami, guys. 9:30 na. And let's shut this TV off. I-on natin yan dito sa bedroom. Kasi uy, yung light. Oh my God, masakit yung tiyan ko. Busog kasi, grabe yung kain. Yung kinain namin, masarap yung chicken na, na binarbecue namin. Masarap yung chicken ko kasi iba yung marinate ng chicken ko. Masarap siya. Masarap man yung kay Tami, pero mas masarap yung sa akin. Anyway guys, good night. Bukas na lang din ulit guys. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Please do not forget to like and subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe. And thank you guys. Thank you so much. Roxy, thank you. See you, thank you, Rox. Roxy! Say thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you. Good night, night. Mitch. Good night, night. Night, night. Night, night. Night, night. Okay guys, good night. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye guys.